Well, leaders in some of our biggest cities in the state continue to push for stronger gun safety laws. But a state appeals court recently ruled against Columbus, saying that city cannot make its own rules. Our Columbus Bureau reporter Morgan Trow has been following through on this legal battle and explains now that this could wind up in our state's highest court.
A small child survived after he shot a gun inside his home in Columbus. The gun was left in between couch cushions. Columbus City Attorney Zach Klein charged the father under their new safe storage law.
That is such a tragic and preventable situation, but there needs to be accountability for individuals who leave their guns in a couch cushion.
And while Columbus attempts to require people to lock up their guns, they have been blocked by lawsuits. The latest blow came Wednesday.
We still cannot enforce our safe storage law.
An appeals court sided with lower decisions and gun rights advocates who said Columbus can't make their own safety regulations. Gun rights lobbyist Rob Sexton says the court made the right call, saying Columbus and Cincinnati's bans that Cleveland also wants are unconstitutional.
We're setting up a situation in which someone who wants to be law-abiding is constantly tripping over the various laws and regulations.
But Klein says that cities know what's best for their communities, and it's not fair that lawmakers pick and choose which local governments have the authority to pass ordinances. For example, politicians have allowed for rural counties to deny solar projects on private land. Sexton says there's a reason why gun laws are different.
So regardless of what city politicians want, they still have to exist underneath the framework of the Constitution.
Klein says everything has its limitations, like the freedom of speech. He plans to push this case to the Ohio Supreme Court.
But if you're able to divorce politics from it, the reality is we can win this case.
Previous rulings by the court have protected home rule, so he says he's hoping the justices will let him save lives. At the Ohio State House, I'm Morgan Trow reporting.